Pullover. The pullover is a highly underrated back exercise that also targets the chest a bit. Its immense stretch can also open up the thoracic spine, improving your mobility. Get a weight plate, dumbbell, or kettlebell and hold it with both hands. Place your back on a bench at the lower part of the shoulder blades or just below them. Lift your hips up and place your arms directly in front of you. Your elbows should be extended, but not locked out all the way. Bring the weight back behind you with straight elbows, while at the same time dropping your hips down. The timing between the arms and the hips should be synchronized. Go down as far as you can while still being in control of the movement, feeling a big stretch in your back. Going too far back without any control can cause shoulder injuries. Hold the bottom position for a second, then go back up with both your hips and arms. Breathe in on the way down and breathe out on the way up.